Trojan Open House this evening. I hope that you will be able to see all the wonderful programs that we have here at JPT and understand that at JPT we are a family. So together we are going to move this school to an A. I believe that wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for coming out tonight, and we look forward to seeing you. Have a wonderful evening.
Good afternoon, parents, guardians, students, teachers. Welcome to JP Terravilla High School Open House. My name is Christopher Crossman. I'm the AP at large in charge of safety, security, and discipline. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and welcome to Terravilla again. I know you're going to have a wonderful school year. Thank you.
Good evening, parents and students. Welcome to Open House 2022-23 school year. It's going to be an exciting one. I'm so glad to welcome you guys back. Please make sure you visit the club sponsor booths that we have in the cafeteria. There are so many and so many different things to get involved in. And I just want you to enjoy yourself this evening, parents. Get all the information that you can. My name is Deborah Johnson, the assistant principal for 12th grade. My office is in the 1000 building, which is 1001 is the office number. Please make sure that you stop by if you have any questions. I'll be here. And again, welcome back. Glad to see everybody. Have a good one.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Workington. I am blessed to be an assistant principal here at JP Terravilla High School. I oversee the junior class as well as testing, science, social studies. So if you have any concerns that fall into those areas, you can always please feel free to reach out, and I'll point you in the right direction. We can get things done. So other than that, you can also reach out if you ever have any other questions, and help you out as best as I can. Thank you, and have a great school year.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Carl Weaver. I'm the 10th grade assistant principal. I'm over at facilities. I help with athletics and a few other things here on campus. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Have a good night.
Hi, my name is Anita Natali, 9th grade assistant principal here at Terravilla. I would like to welcome all of you to JPT for this new school year. I also oversee the English department, reading department, and ESC department. I look forward to having a great year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sumitria Moten. I'm the behavior specialist for 11th and 12th grade here at Terravilla High School. Welcome parents to Open House, and I hope you have a great experience. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Jennifer Letizia. I'm the behavior specialist for 9th and 10th grade here at Terravilla High School. I'm also the Cambridge coordinator and the exams officer. So if you have any questions regarding behavior, Cambridge, or anything Terravilla related, you can always feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the 22-23 school year. My name is Ashley Cordova. I am the ESOL contact, the JAG specialist, and the senior class advisor. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions.
Good morning, I'm Mrs. Courtney Brown. I'm your guidance director here at Terravilla High School. In the guidance office, we're here if you need us. Just give us an email or stop by, and we'll be happy to help you guys. Have a great year.
Hi, my name is Dennis Toole, and I'm the ESC specialist here at JP Terravilla. If you have any questions or any ESC needs, please contact my office at 754-322-2311. I hope everybody has a great open house.